That is our top story. We all went outside this afternoon and put on our glasses to get a glimpse of this historic moment. Thanks for joining us on this Monday. I'm Luann Sorrell.
And I'm Manny Martinez. We didn't get totality here in Central Florida, but still very cool. We have live team coverage for you this afternoon. Our team of reporters out there with you as you watched history. Let's start with Fox 35's Esther Bauer. Esther, scientists at NASA were closely monitoring this because there's good data they can get.
They were. During this eclipse, one of the experiments NASA did actually involved launching 3 rockets to get a better look at the sun's corona. I was here beachside during the eclipse. I was sharing my glasses with people actually from London who had traveled here to see the eclipse. People were so excited to get to witness this spectacular phenomenon. But for scientists, their research is just getting underway, trying to better understand the eclipse. Most of the world watched in awe as the moon covered parts of the sun, but NASA was launching rockets that ejected 4 soda bottle-sized instruments within the path of totality. The goal, measure temperature changes, particle density, and electromagnetic fields. Studying the sun during an eclipse is crucial to protect communication here on Earth.
The sun has solar flares and explosions that occasionally can knock communications out on Earth, and that's really bad. It can cause economic damage, it cause injury to property. By studying these flares during the eclipse, we can help maybe refine the predictions to give warnings, to satellites in orbit and power stations here on the ground.
And NASA is also relying on observations from you and I to better understand this eclipse and the sun. If you noticed anything striking when you were taking a picture or just seeing it firsthand, reach out to NASA because that will help them better predict the next eclipse. Reporting live in Brevard County, Esther Bauer, Fox 35 News.
All right, Esther, thank you. Our live team coverage continues from UCF, just one of the many watch parties across Central Florida. And Fox 35 Storm Team meteorologist Ian Cassette joins us now. And Ian, it was just fantastic out there.
Manny, it was just really cool to be part of something. Obviously, I'm not in college anymore, but it was so cool to be part of something special like this. I spoke to many students, and over 1,000 of them registered for the watch party that was hosted by UCF, but also the Florida Space Institute. Obviously, this being Space University here with NASA close by. And these students that I talked to today, some of them were physicists, future astronomers, and others were just business majors, but they were all so excited to be a part of something special.
It's amazing to see the turnout. I know the event in 2017 had a very large turnout, but I think people were pleasantly surprised with how many motivated and inspired students wanted to come out and see the eclipse as well.
As soon as I got here and we saw everyone that showed up, everyone standing in line for the glasses, it's a nice event for everyone to be together, and it's something that happens like not very often. So.
And I had joked with some of the students that said with the 2045 total eclipse that's expected to go right over Orlando, it would be their kids that would be at a watch party here on campus at UCF. But it was an incredible event and something that was great to be a part of. And Orlando at UCF, Fox 35 Storm Team meteorologist Ian Cassette.
Ian.